Welcome to 9 Corsalo Road, Hunterdon Township. This custom-built and designed home for easy living is nestled on almost 3 acres of manicured yard. Surrounded by flowering trees, perennial gardens, and paver brick walkways. With a beautiful custom patio with sitting wall and pergola. All the while, this leads away to the koi pond with relaxing waterfall feature. The exterior is low maintenance with stone accents and a front portico. This leads us to enter into a 2-story foyer with a turned staircase with waterfall carpeting and shadow boxing, which leads away on the right through French doors to the study with built-in cabinetry and the formal living room to the left and dining room access. The formal dining room boasts a tray ceiling, accent moldings, and the windows frame the rear yard's pastoral views. There are accent moldings including crown, chair, and shadow boxing, 5-inch floor trim, and hardwood flooring throughout most of this home, with ceramic tile in the foyers, kitchen, laundry, and sunrooms, Berber-style carpeting in the family room, and 9-foot ceilings on the first floor. The oversized eat-in kitchen is the heart of this home. Features 42-inch cherry cabinets with accent hardware, Lazy Susans, upper display cabinets, granite counters with an undermount stainless sink, tumbled marble backsplash, and all appliances including a double-wall ovens, side-by-side refrigerator with exterior ice and water, up-to-date dishwasher, and a 5-burner cooktop with exterior vent. The center island with breakfast bar features granite counters, pendant lighting, a veggie sink, and recessed lighting. Also with a pantry closet and dinette area complete this gourmet kitchen. The convenient first floor laundry mudroom is complete with front loader washer and dryer, utility tub, built-in cabinets, and garage access. The sunroom, with volume ceiling and windowed walls, is light and bright and frames the rear yard and features patio yard access. The family room with volume ceiling, gas fireplace, with raised hearth, mantel, and stone accents, private backyard views, recessed lighting, and toned walls. The full, mostly finished basement boasts game playroom, a great room area with corn pellet stove, built-in bookshelves, and a half bathroom. The custom design and built-in wet bar with beverage cooler boasts accent wood shelving and accent mirror. The floor is carpeted and there is recessed lighting and an abundance of storage in the utility room. There is Bilco door access to the rear yard, a 60-amp sub-panel for gas generator, and zoned HVAC and central vac. The second floor hallway features hardwood and leads way to the oversized master bedroom suite. This oversized master bedroom suite has tray ceiling, sitting and dressing areas, double walk-in closets with attic access, and a private deluxe master bathroom. This deluxe master bathroom has a raised height vanity, quartz counter, and double undermount sinks, along with accent mirrors, shower stall with new shower door, garden soaking tub, and a linen closet and toilet nook. There are 3 additional bedrooms with ample closet space, all with accent moldings and main hall bathroom access. There are ceiling fans with lights throughout the second floor bedrooms. This bathroom features raised height vanity, new toilet, one-piece counter with double sinks, accent mirrors and lighting, linen closet, and a tub and shower. We've hoped you've enjoyed the virtual tour of this beautiful home. All of our contact information is in the description of this tour.